Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of The Canning Nana and the first in our series of the Prepared Pantry. So, I'm going to show you right now. I went out today and I bought some more vegetable plants. So I have a ton of seeds to plant still, but going on vacation, I'm a bit behind on planting, and I wanted to see what else they had. So I got some spinach. I got two different kinds of strawberries, and you guys know, you've seen my strawberries, and I'll show you those in a minute. They're going wild. I got 3 hatch pepper plants. I got some dill, some purple basil, some Italian oregano. This is sweet potato that I'm going to be planting in a bag. These are, let's see, I think these are serrano. Yep, these are serrano peppers for my husband. I got some more pickling cucumbers, chili d'arbol, so I'm going to be growing these and then drying them out, and got some peanuts here, some beets because I'm so far behind in planting my beet seeds, basil, and then some Italian curled parsley. So, the prepared pantry. So what we're going to be going over is how to start a food storage from basically nothing, and what to store. So I'm sure that all of you guys have heard about the food shortages that are going around right now. People are not able to find everything that they need, and it's just going to get worse. Gas is over $4 a gallon here. In fact, it's $4.35 where I am. So as I talk, I'm just going to show you guys some of my garden. So I have quadrupled my garden this year. This is my garden area, which is pretty big, but I have expanded, and I'm going to be expanding even more. So I'm going to be talking about things that you should stock up on as you can. I don't want anybody to go broke, but I want everybody to be prepared. So this is going to be a fairly long series, probably once a week. I'm also going to be having handouts about what I talk about. So if you want the handouts, because what I'm going to be talking about is what to store, what you can stock up on every month to give yourself a year's supply of storage, food, supplies, basically everything that you'll need to be self-sufficient, because that's what we need to do, you guys. We really need to be self-sufficient now, because I know here in California we have a drought declared again, so they're going to be reducing water, and if we use a certain amount of water, they're going to be charging us more again. We've been through this a lot of times, but that's just one of the things that you live with here in California, and I'm sure in all of your states, there's different things that you're going to be short on. Those who can do canning, I know there's a jar shortage. There is a lid and seal shortage. I just put up a video today about how I found some jars and lids and a lot of canning supplies. There were even 2 water bath counters. I was really surprised. But there is a shortage. So we need to take upon ourselves to be prepared. This is why I garden. This is why I can. I've been doing it for years. It's not a new thing for me. I usually don't have a huge garden, so this year is going to be different, and I'm going to can whatever we use, and we don't use all the excess. I have a ton of tomatoes coming, a ton of green beans, just things that we eat normally. I'm going to be planting so much more than this. I really want to quadruple my growing space. Because I'm not sure if there's another outbreak of this pandemic, if it gets worse, what do we do? The stores are going to close again, and we all know what we were short on. That was a learning lesson. It was a test to see what we all needed and, what we had to run out to the store for. So the Prepared Pantry series is going to be a series of things to teach you what to get on a budget, when you can find it, just to buy extra, and what to buy extra of, and what to have in stock, the necessities, the basic necessities that we all need, that we probably don't even think about every day. So that's what I want to do, because so many people have asked me how I prepare, how I have a year's supply of food, how I stock up. You know, I've gotten a lot of emails about that. So this has been a long time coming, even before 2020. But 2020 really opened my eyes to a lot of things, and I know a lot of you as well. We really, really learned what we're not sufficient on, and what we depend on the grocery stores for. So I'm going to try to show you guys how to stock up, how to be self-sufficient, how to do more for yourselves. I mean, yes, you know, of course we need milk, eggs, bread, things like that, but those can also be stored. All of that can be stored. So you just need to find different ways to do it. And they may not be the tastiest ways, but you will have them in your diet if you stock up now. So that's what the lessons are going to be about. We're going to focus on a different area every week. We're going to focus on some recipes, and I'm going to make everything a handout. So if you want to join my prepared pantry club, no charge, just email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, and every time I come out with a new video and a handout, I'll make sure that I email it to you so that you guys have it and you can print it out. I'm also going to be doing a food calculator for storage. So if you send me how many people you have in your family that you need to store for a year, 6 months, whatever, and I can do a printout for you and email it to you guys, I'm happy to do that. And this way, you know, when I'm talking about storing different things, you know how much to store, because that's so important. You don't want to stock up on, 50 pounds of rice if you're one person for a year. You don't want to overstock. So we'll be going through all of that, and I hope this interests you. If there's something that you want me to add to this series, please let me know. Please comment below, and please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, this really helps my channel. Right now, I have a lot of views on my videos, but 72% of you are not subscribed. So if I can get that 72% of you to subscribe to my channel, it'll really help the algorithm to the channel, and this video and all of the videos that in the future for this series will get out to a lot more people. Right now, they're just reaching minimal amount of people, and I think this is something that everybody needs to really, really focus on. So, so that's what's coming, and I will probably start that at the end of this week. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, I believe, May 11th, somewhere in there. I know it's Tuesday. It's been a long day, but I'm going to be getting a lot of things together. I know what I want to do. I just have to figure out how to divide it up into each category and each lesson. And I will be doing some lives as well, so we could do question and answer. I want to make it as interesting as possible for you guys, and as beneficial as possible to you guys as well. So I want to help all of you. That's what I'm here for. So if you have any questions or comments, you can email me, you can leave a comment. If you watch the video, I do ask, please put a thumb up, please. Again, it helps the algorithm, and this video and all of the other ones will reach many, many more people than I'm already reaching. My algorithm has gone down. When I was doing the videos for Heather, they went way up, and I was getting tons and tons of views, and now that all unfortunately has died down. I hope the interest in Heather has not died down. She's doing really well, and we're all trying to help her channel. That, pray for her, you guys. Keep her in your prayers. And yeah, my channel was one of the ones that put out one of the first videos, and I got a lot of viewers from her. And now it's kind of gone downhill, which is fine. I totally expected that. But I need to get the algorithm back up there so that my videos are reaching the people that need to be reached for the purposes that I'm teaching. So there will be a lot of canning videos, a lot of gardening videos, a lot of just talking videos and showing you guys what to store, what not to store, what stores well, where to get these things. Even if you can't find them in the grocery store, there are places that you can go to get them. And how much to grow or store for your family. So again, if you want to send me how many people are in your family, and if you want a handout, please email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. Get on my mailing list. It's totally free. I will include you in all of my correspondence. You will get all of my handouts. All of the information that I am going to talk about will be written down for you and put in an email so you guys can print it out. And I will do the storage calculator for you guys as well. So that's it for right now. Look forward to my videos, please. And please share this video with as many people as you can, because I think this is something that really, really needs to get out there. Good information for bad times. So the food shortages are real, you guys. They just are. And it's something we're going to have to deal with. And it seems like it's going to be getting worse. So I would stock up and watch my video for more information. And I hope you guys all stay tuned for what I have in store. It's going to be a long series, but a very meaningful series. Probably the most meaningful series that I've ever done. And the most important information that I've ever put out there. So please share this video with as many people as you can. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I am open to any and all suggestions about what you want to see, what you want to know, where to get products, you know, anything you guys want to know, any questions you have. I'm here for you guys. This is why I'm here on YouTube, is for you. So either email me, thecanningnana@gmail.com, or leave a comment here, and I will get back to each and every one of you. That is a promise. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay safe, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.